Let's bring in now Stifel's Stephen Gengaro. Stephen has a $500 price target on Tesla shares, implies about a 16% gain. Stephen, thank you for joining us here. By the way, Happy New Year. Happy Friday. I know it's late. What's the thesis to the upside given the delivery numbers that Phil LeBeau just talked about?
Thanks for having me, and Happy New Year to you. The real upside, and he mentioned it briefly, was when we look at Tesla, obviously car deliveries matter. But the real driver of the stock, we believe, over the next 12 to 18 months is the progress they make on full self-driving and then ultimately the robo-taxi initiative. We think you'll see data points throughout 2026 that are positive on those fronts, which we believe will help drive the stock higher.
Yeah, 508. I don't want to shortchange you on the $508 on that price target. You know, Tesla has a market cap that is greater than all the U.S. market, car companies combined. You throw in some European companies, combine them. It's still bigger. The robo-taxi, robots, all the stuff that you just talked about and more. What if somebody says, Stephen, this market cap doesn't make sense, right? What's your basic answer to just that really easy question?
We hear that a lot, right? And what I tell people is if you're buying Tesla because they sell cars, you're buying the wrong company, right? You're investing in Tesla right now because of the optimism and enthusiasm around autonomy over time, and their positioning in the autonomous driving world on their full self-driving initiative, and then ultimately the robo-taxi side is really why you buy the stock. There is some risk to what they're doing, and we've talked a lot about this in our notes. Their approach, which is basically a fully camera-based system with AI to drive their full self-driving. There's risk to whether they can actually do this completely unsupervised without LiDAR in the cars. But that is the proposition that Tesla has set forth, and that ultimately is what is the value creator for the company.